Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. From today we are going to start daily vlogs and now we are at our farmhouse. Then we will explore there. Okay. So guys, we are at our farm right now. Now that's the farm. Guys, we are going to a dried river. It's literally just near. Guys, now we are headed at the, it's like a pond situation going on there and it's literally drop deep. So we are going to check it out right now. Bro, imagine if I jumped. So guys, we are going to make, so there are lots of trees. We are going to make it into a big garden.